everyone, today I am excited to share with you 5 powerful steps that will take your English speaking skills to the next level, and the best part, I will be delivering them entirely in English so you can fully immerse yourself in the language and experience the power of fluent communication. So without further ado, let's dive into these simple yet effective steps that will help you speak English confidently and attractively. Alright, number 1, read voraciously. Voraciously means excessively eager. Okay, so reading is a fun way to expand your vocabulary and improve your grammar. Choose topic that interests you and challenge yourself with more complex text. Number 2, listen intently. Intently means eager attention. Okay, so listen to English speakers to learn their pronunciation, accent and vocabulary. Watch movies, TV shows, news in English and listen to English radio and podcast. This will help you to develop your listening skills and also help to become familiar with different accent and colloquialism. Colloquialism means a word or phrase that is not formal. Okay, not formal. Alright. Third one, write diligently. Diligently means hard work. Okay, so practice writing in English on a daily basis, whether it's a journaling or composing emails. For example, consistency is a key. Okay. Fourth, think in English. It is very important point. Okay, so you should think in English always. Okay, so try to think in English as much as possible. This will help you become more comfortable with the language and improve your fluency. Next, use English in your daily life. Okay, so use English in your daily life as much as possible. Speak with friends or colleagues in English. Read English books and watch English videos. Okay, so join our knowledge family of 10 million. Subscribe and share our videos to help us reach our goal together. Okay. So, thank you for joining me today on this journey to improve your English speaking skills. I hope you find these tips helpful and are excited to put them into practice. Remember, the key to success is consistent practice and determination. So, keep practicing and you'll amazed at how quickly you see progress. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. You never miss an update. Thank you again for your time and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.